A single credit report error can raise your costs for years. Here are the 5 things that matter. Fixing your credit report starts with one reality check. Disputing doesn't magically erase bad news. The bureaus respond to proof, not frustration, and if a negative item is accurate, it usually stays until it ages off. Even a legit fix has limits, because your score can jump or drop based on timing, like when an update posts mid-cycle. And new errors aren't harmless. One wrong late payment can cost you real money in APRs and approvals. You can't correct what you don't see, so step 1 is pulling all 3 credit reports and reading the full versions. The score summary view hides the details that create disputes. Then compare the bureaus line by line, because the same account can show different balances, limits, or statuses. Don't skip the personal info section either. Wrong addresses and employers can signal mixed files. Finally, document the exact trade line fields and payment history dates that are wrong. A strong dispute packet works because it matches the error exactly and makes it easy to verify. Start by proving identity first, since bureaus often reject disputes if your file can't be matched cleanly. Then collect payment proof, like statements or bank screenshots, to show a late payment or amount is wrong. If the balance is incorrect, show what it should be on a specific date and flag duplicates as the same debt reporting twice. Put everything into one organized, one-packet file. Where you send the dispute matters as much as what you say, so start with the bureau, but loop in the furnisher too, the lender or collector reporting the data. Treat it like a paper trail. Certified mail gives you delivery proof and forces cleaner timelines. Keep each dispute focused on one error, because mixed complaints get verified more often. Attach only supporting documents that directly back your claim, and avoid repeat, noisy disputes without new evidence, since that can get ignored as frivolous. After you file, expect a real clock. Most investigations run about 30 days, so plan to follow up, not panic refresh. If the result comes back verified, escalate smarter by disputing with the furnisher directly and asking for the specific basis of verification. Don't waste energy fighting accurate late payments. Your better play is rebuilding with on-time history. If it's identity theft, freeze fast to stop new accounts from landing. Then recheck all 3 bureaus, because fixes rarely post evenly. Most credit report investigations run about 30 days, and verified often just means your dispute lacked the right proof. CreditCardAgent helps you see how your credit profile affects card options and estimates the dollar impact versus what you have now. Free, about 3 minutes, no credit check. Links in the description.